So guys, now let's see circuit diagram of this project. So I have made this circuit diagram here. I will explain and will show hardware also on the left side. Okay, so first we have batteries here. So these are the batteries here, lithium ion batteries connected in series. So in series current will be same, that is 1200 milliampere hour, and battery potential will be exactly 11.1. So I will be using the term 12 volt here approx. Okay, so now we have this Arduino microcontroller, then we have this LCD 20x4, then we have component this Wi-Fi module, relay module, then buzzer, then MQ135 sensor, accelerometer ADXL335, temperature humidity sensor, current sensor, motor here, then we have this relay module, electromagnetic relay we are using here. Okay, and this is the formula for voltage divider, how we have selected the resistors. Okay, so I will explain one by one. So A0 is connected with this current sensor. We can use different current sensor. The lower the current rating of current sensor, and it can tell the value of low current consuming device better, and higher will have less precision, like 30 ampere will have less precision, less current milliampere movements will be there. Okay, then we have temperature humidity sensor here, then we have ADXL. This is for measurement of your movements, so it will tell the vibrations in the motor. This is relay. Okay, then I will cross check with you these components, like this one is DHT11, then this one is DHT11, then current sensor, then relay module, this one relay module, then buzzer, this one is the buzzer here, then Wi-Fi, this one is Wi-Fi module here. Okay, then ADXL is this one, 20x4 LCD is this one. Okay, and this is Arduino Uno microcontroller, and LCD is connected with these pins of Arduino, which are like ground first one, VCC second one, VEE connected to this potentiometer, this one here, this point, you can see potentiometer here. If you rotate this potentiometer, contrast on LCD will change. Then we have RS, register select to 7, it will select the cursor setting inside. Then RW, read or write, we have to write or read, so we have to write always. So we will put this value to ground. Then we have enable, to enable the device. Then 4-bit mode we are using in LCD, so we don't use these connections, so this will be left emptied, this point. Then we have D4, D5, D6, D7 for transferring the data. Then buzzer, then this one is voltage divider circuit. Like if we want to measure any voltage like 15 volt, 100 volt, so always output should be 5 volt, because microcontroller maximum voltage it can read is 5 volt. Now we have to put one resistor 10 kilo ohm. So to get this 5 volt we have to calculate R1 putting these values. Okay, so V out R1 will come out to be 20 kilo ohm. So we have connected two 10 kilo ohm resistance in series. That's it. That's the circuit diagram of this project. Now let's quickly move towards the working of this project, the main part. So for that we have to turn on the project. Like this, the project will start, and it is calibrating, and after that it will show the readings. So I am turning this light off because reflections are coming on the LCD. Okay, so now you can see here the values. So first I will check that motor is getting power and current it should display. So it is displaying current 200 milliampere and voltage 11.6, where it is reading from this point. And protection diode we have to use here, freewheeling diode, and one small ceramic capacitor to cancel out the noise, otherwise glitches will come on LCD. Okay, so this one is Wi-Fi. I will explain how to connect to internet then. Let's just see the basic output, temperature, humidity, then accelerometer value, then this gas value, and it's showing the motor running. Okay, so now test every sensor now. So let's first start with the this binding burning sensor. You see, motor is turned off. Okay. So that's the test number 1. And also, moving further, first I will tell you how to connect these things on internet. That is very important. So what we have to do first, create hotspot. Remember this point, create hotspot with these settings: project 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 password, and bandwidth 2.4. Turn on this. You can create from your phone also. Okay, now just remove your project power supply and connect again, and you have to wait. One device will connect, and you can see that device here. Okay, one device is connected. You can see sometimes it will take 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 second depending upon the speed. So now let's go to this. You can see live value started showing on these graphs. Okay, so now we will test the further one, and also we can name these things. I will tell you live how to change these things. So like first one, it is showing the current reading, so I will name it current. In milliampere. Okay, so current in milliampere it is showing. Similarly, second one, field 2. Okay, this one is a voltage. I will turn off the motor, it is making sound. Voltage. Then we have temperature. Okay, and here we have the gas value, then accelerometer value. Okay, so we will change all these. Before that, let's just check all these outputs. Okay, so next thing is your temperature sensor. So we have to burn the sensor from some range. So you will see slowly this temperature will increase because I am far away from that. If I bring near, the value will exceed and trigger faster. And in code we have written that value, if more than 32, buzzer will make sound and project motor will stop. For that I should turn on the motor. Okay, this is over temperature. Test number 2. Okay, and after some time it will cool down. Okay, and now let's check this one. Right now still the temperature is there. This module is still warm, so we have to wait for few seconds. Once it is cool, then we can proceed with our further work. Still it is cool. Once it is 31, it will stop making sound. Okay, now it won't make sound. It is 31. So let's change this to temperature in Celsius. And this one is humidity. In percentage it is. If moisture level is there in the air or near motor, so this humidity sensor will rise. You see, high humidity. No. Okay, so I will show you the current test now. So let's turn on the motor, and you can see motor parameters here. So I will put load here. So you see over current. Okay, so it is protecting the motor because over current is here. And same way, if voltage is more than 15 volt, it will again stop the motor and it will make sound. And last one is your accelerometer. So let's see. So if motor is showing some vibration, so it will show high vibration. And actually all these parameters which are displayed on server and on LCD, the sensor will be mounted on the motor. We can use different type of motor. Okay, so like big motor, AC motor, DC motor we can use here. Right now I have shown DC motor, and accordingly all things are there. And this one is voltage divider circuit. So 2 in series 20, and this one is alone 10 kilo ohm, and between these two resistance voltage is taken and it is connected to A3 for voltage divider circuit. Okay, with it let me tell you how to add it. Just create lamp. Okay, let me turn off the motor. Create lamp indicator or numeric you can add. Just set the name of your visit, select the field. If it is greater than value you can add, color you can add. If a safe thing is you can add green color. If it is warm, something like in medium, warning, yellow sign you can add, or red. Okay, then you can create it. And channel setting, how to change? You have to just go to channel setting, and here you have to change your latitude longitude so that you can say yes motor is there, so you have to check that motor. Okay, so that was the working part of this project.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.